Hello Volvo driver. One day while I driving my lovely Volvo S60, I noticed that the left side mirror glass is twitching annoyingly and making it difficult to drive, which is a driving safety hazard. On closer look, I noticed that the mirror glass has become loose and is no longer held on securely, and in a larger pothole it could fall off and break, causing major damage my wallet. So it's better to remove glass, and take it home safely, where I'll show you how to glue side mirror glass back on easily, so it lasts the life of the car. As you can see, the mirror has come unglued from its base. In the last video I showed how to replace the Volvo side mirror glass with the whole base. Because the previous glass had broken and you had to buy new glass to replace it. If your mirror glass has also fly away, and broke when you drive, then open that video. If you have salvaged the mirror glass, you will need cleaning wipes to degrease the surface, flex type glue, which is also designed for high temperatures. If your side mirror also has winter heating, use cleaning wipes to clean the surface of the mirror that will be glued. Also degrease the other surface to which the mirror will be glued. Once the cleaned surface has dried, apply enough of glue to the surface to be glued, and apply the same glue to the other side to be glued. This is the time when it is advisable to read the glue instructions. For my chosen glue need wait 15 minutes before gluing the two parts together. Once the minutes mentioned in the glue instructions have elapsed, glue the mirror in place, but in the correct direction as it was originally. Press it firmly in place, but with feeling so as not to damage the automatic mirror adjustment mechanism. Super. Looks like new and will last the lifetime of this Volvo car. I would also suggest you take a look at the right side mirror glass as it looks like. My right side mirror was also bad condition and could fall off at some pothole. So I'm going to tear it off, and also re-glue it so that there are like new mirrors on both sides. With this simple tutorial how to glue and repair Volvo side mirrors glass, you saved at least $100 that you would have spent buying new mirrors. All you have to do is adjust the glued mirrors for comfortable and safe driving. This tutorial is not only for Volvo S60 drivers, but for any Volvo, Audi, BMW and other car brands. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe this video to support my money-saving DIYs and meet in other good videos. Have a safe journey.